Let's face it, folks. Americans love sausage. Whether it's a backyard barbecue, a festive holiday gathering, or just a simple meal at home, sausages have a special place in our hearts and on our plates. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, we can't get enough of those juicy, savory links. From the classic breakfast sausage that pairs perfectly with eggs and toast, to the hearty bratwurst that makes any cookout complete, sausages are a versatile and beloved staple in American cuisine. But have you ever stopped to think about how those sausages get made? It's not just about grinding meat and stuffing it into casings. There's a whole world of science and craftsmanship behind every bite. I'm talking about the millions of sausages cranked out by factories every single day. These aren't just any machines, they're marvels of modern engineering designed to produce sausages with precision and efficiency. It's a fascinating process, and trust me, it's a lot more involved than you might think. From selecting the right cuts of meat to blending spices and seasonings, every step is crucial to achieving that perfect flavor and texture. We're talking massive machines, tons of meat, and a whole lot of know-how. The meat is ground to just the right consistency, mixed with a blend of spices, and then carefully stuffed into casings. From the moment the raw meat arrives at the factory to the final packaging, it's a carefully orchestrated dance of food science and industrial efficiency. Every step is monitored to ensure quality and safety. And let me tell you, it's not for the faint of heart. The workers in these factories are skilled professionals who take pride in their craft. But somebody's got to do it, right? These dedicated individuals work tirelessly to bring us the sausages we love. So come on, let's get our hands dirty and explore the amazing world of sausage making. We'll see the entire process, from the initial grinding of the meat to the final packaging and distribution. We're going behind the scenes to see how those tasty tubes of meat go from the farm to your fork. It's a journey that involves a lot of hard work, dedication, and a passion for quality. Get ready, because things are about to get delicious. Whether you're a sausage aficionado or just curious about how your favorite links are made, this is one journey you won't want to miss. Our sausage journey begins, of course, with the meat. Most sausages start with pork, but beef, chicken, turkey, and even lamb can be used. The meat arrives at the factory in massive refrigerated trucks, fresh from the slaughterhouse. It's carefully inspected to make sure it meets strict quality standards. We're talking about checking the color, texture, and smell. Any meat that doesn't pass muster is rejected. Food safety is no joke, folks. And these inspectors take their job seriously. After all, we're talking about the main ingredient in everyone's favorite sausage. Once the meat gets the green light, it's time to move on to the next stage, the grind. This is where things start to get really interesting. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to dive into the heart of the sausage factory. The grinding process is where the transformation from meat to sausage really begins. The meat is fed into massive grinders, which use rotating blades to chop it into small pieces. The size of the grind can vary depending on the type of sausage being made. Some sausages, like breakfast sausage, have a finer grind, while others, like Italian sausage, have a coarser grind. The grinding process is crucial for creating the right texture in the final sausage. Grind it too fine and you'll end up with a sausage that's mushy and unappetizing. Grind it too coarse and you'll get a sausage that's tough and chewy. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Once the meat is ground, it's time to add the good stuff, the spices. This is where the sausage really starts to take on its unique flavor. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's move on to the next section and explore the wonderful world of sausage seasoning. Now comes the fun part, adding the flavor. This is where the magic truly happens. Every sausage maker has their own secret blend of spices and seasonings. These recipes are often closely guarded secrets passed down through generations. We're talking salt, pepper, the basics that form the foundation of any good sausage. Garlic, paprika, fennel, and a myriad of other spices that add depth and complexity. And a whole lot more. The variety of spices used can be mind-boggling, each contributing its own unique note to the final product. The exact combination of spices can vary widely depending on the type of sausage being made. This is where the artistry of sausage making truly shines. Italian sausage, for example, typically includes fennel seeds, which give it that distinctive, slightly sweet flavor. While chorizo gets its signature flavor from smoked paprika and chili peppers. These spices give chorizo its bold, smoky, and spicy profile. The spices are added to the ground meat in a giant mixer. This is where the ingredients come together to form a cohesive mixture. The mixer ensures that the spices are evenly distributed throughout the meat, so every bite of sausage is bursting with flavor. It's a crucial step to ensure consistency. It's like a giant culinary symphony, with each spice playing its part to create a harmonious blend of taste. The careful balance of flavors is what makes each sausage unique. But the mixing process isn't just about adding spices, it's also about achieving the right texture and consistency. This is also where other ingredients like salt, sugar, and sometimes even water or ice are incorporated into the mixture. These elements play a crucial role in the final product. Water or ice can help to keep the mixture cool and ensure that the meat binds together properly. These ingredients help to bind the meat together and create the desired texture in the final sausage. The end result is a perfectly seasoned, well-textured sausage ready for cooking. Now, some sausages require an extra step: emulsification. This is where things get a little scientific. Emulsification is the process of combining two liquids that don't normally mix, like fat and water. In sausage making, this is achieved by finely grinding the meat and then mixing it vigorously with ice water or other liquids. The emulsification process creates a smooth, homogeneous mixture that helps to bind the sausage together and prevent it from drying out during cooking. Sausages that have been emulsified tend to have a smoother, more uniform texture than those that haven't. Think of a classic hot dog, that's an emulsified sausage. But not all sausages are emulsified. Some sausages, like breakfast sausage and Italian sausage, are typically made without this step. It all depends on the desired texture and flavor profile of the final product. With the sausage mixture ready to go, it's time for the next step: stuffing the casings. Casings are what give the sausage its shape and hold everything together. They can be natural or artificial. Natural casings are made from the intestines of animals, while artificial casings are made from collagen, cellulose, or other materials. The sausage mixture is loaded into a stuffing machine, which uses a piston to push the mixture through a nozzle and into the casings. It's like a giant sausage-making machine gun, cranking out links of meaty goodness. The casings are then twisted or linked at regular intervals to create individual sausages. The stuffing process is a delicate one. If the casings aren't filled properly, they can burst during cooking, resulting in a messy and unappetizing sausage. That's why it's important to have skilled workers manning the stuffing machines, making sure each sausage is perfectly formed. Now that our sausages are all dressed up in their casings, they are ready for the next crucial step in their journey. It's time for the next stage: cooking. This is where the magic truly happens. This is where the sausages really start to develop their signature flavor and aroma. Cooking methods can vary widely, but most sausages are either smoked or cooked in a water bath. Each method brings its own unique qualities to the final product. Smoking is a traditional method of cooking sausage that imparts a delicious smoky flavor and helps to preserve the meat. This method has been used for centuries. Sausages are hung on racks in a smokehouse and exposed to smoke from burning wood chips for several hours. The slow process allows the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. The type of wood used can influence the flavor of the sausage. Hickory, applewood, and mesquite are all popular choices. Each type of wood imparts a different flavor profile, adding to the complexity of the sausage. Cooking sausages in a water bath is a gentler method that results in a more delicately flavored sausage. This method is often preferred for its ability to maintain the sausage's moisture and tenderness. Sausages are submerged in hot water and cooked until they reach an internal temperature of 155 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures that the sausages are cooked through without becoming dry. This method is often used for sausages that will be cooked further before serving, such as breakfast sausage. These sausages are then packaged and ready for the final cooking step at home, ensuring they are fresh and flavorful when served. After cooking, the sausages need to be cooled down quickly to prevent bacterial growth. This is typically done by showering the sausages with cold water or submerging them in an ice bath. The rapid cooling helps to stop the cooking process and preserve the sausage's texture and flavor. Once the sausages are cool, they're ready for the next stage: packaging. But before we wrap things up, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey these sausages have been on. From humble cuts of meat, they've been transformed into flavorful, ready-to-eat treats. It's a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the people who make these sausages day in and day out. They may not be glamorous, but they play a vital role in bringing one of America's favorite foods to our tables.